good morning, guys. I hope everyone had a great night. All right, just give me a second here. Before we get started, as you guys are hopping on, to make sure you guys smashing the like button. All right. Uh, let's see here. Just do gallery. All right, just give me a second, guys. We're gonna start off with some analysis. And I brought back the music for you guys. Guys, let me know if the music is too loud. All right, guys. Let me know if the music is too loud. Uh, Give me a second. Uh, what's going on? Okay, the music is perfect for you. Hi, Mario. Hi, Ukesh. Just give me a second, guys. And this is all right. Can you guys hear me perfectly fine? Can you guys hear me perfectly fine? I know you guys said the music is perfect. All right. So we're gonna start off with let's start off our analysis with GJ. Let's start off our analysis with GJ. All right. We're gonna go to the H4 time frame. All right. Okay. So looking at GG on the on the lower time on the higher time frame here. What's wrong with the music? Man, why did the music stop playing? Oh, I guess that was the end of the music. All right, so we got GJ here. We got resistance here. That price absolutely needs to break this resistance here for us to take buys. All right, and we got support here. What's wrong with the music? Alright, and we got more resistance here on GJ. Alright. Support right here. Alright, we can stop right there. We're still gonna go to the higher time frame to look for more zones as well to finish it up. Probably on the H1 time frame. Got this resistance right here. Support on resistance right there. We got resistance right here. Alright, let's see what this is looking like on the 1 hour. See what we got. Good morning, Vincent. Good morning, Ava Media Group. Good morning, AJ. All right. Let's go to the 30-minute here. Alright, GJ buys above 164,400, sells below 163,600. That's what we're looking at. And also, if we look here on the 30-minute, we can see we have some type of support right here. I think the internet is tripping. Are you guys having issues? Yeah, that's why. Since I've been here, I've been streaming at 720p. Just wanted to try the 1080p today, and but it's looking like I shouldn't have. But we'll see. As long as you guys are not having any issues, then everything is perfectly fine. Alright, so that's that for GJ. And looking at this on the 30 minute, we have this resistance right here. Price previously rejected that resistance zone previously. So we'll see what happens. So all we gotta do now is just to wait and see what GJ is gonna do. Like I said, um, buys above 164,500 on GJ. That's what I'll be looking for. Man, what's wrong with the music? Like, why's the music not playing? Huh, don't understand. Alright, on EJ, we got buys above 139, 100. AJ right now, I really don't like AJ at the moment, so I'm actually either gonna take EJ or GJ this morning. So we'll see what happens today. Can you guys hear the music in the background perfectly fine? Alright. We took two trades with the premium members today down in London, and we actually smashed London, so I'm probably gonna take just one more trade today for New York, and we'll see what happens. We still got like 28 more minutes here before London session opens, so we'll see what happens. For GJ, I got EJ got sales below 138,300, buys above 138,700. That's actually what I'm looking for here on EJ. Possibly ride this thing back to this resistance here, about 30 to 40 pip range. So we'll see. We're currently ranging right now. What's wrong with the music today?
Yeah. Oh my vibe on your mind. Oh my throat on your mind. Him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like I do. They both turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, when you're stuck in my mind. Oh my throat on your mind. Did not see you last week. Told me you would make it up to me. Just wanted you closer, closer. Electric feel when you brush up on me.
So guys, all we can do now is just be patient.
Like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close.
All we can do
Telling me that she knows.
is to be patient.
Stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you.
I'm gonna see how this 30-minute candle closes on GJ here.
Oh my God, when you're stuck in my mind.
Because this previous bearish 30-minute candle right here actually closed below the support. Then we had a fake out.
In my mind, long nights
So
thinking of you.
sales at 92.960 should be good on AJ. So we'll see what happens.
Oh my throat on your mind. Oh my vibe on your mind. Oh my throat on your mind. Oh my vibe on your mind. Oh my throat on your mind.
How many of you guys traded London? Did any of you trade London session? Did Did any one of you traded London session today? Yeah, Lion of Judah, I remember you did. Anyone else? Oh, you traded Asian Super Data Wolf? How was it? Did you make some money? Oh, you did, Michael? Nice. I hope if you traded London session, I hope you made some money. Oh, that's nice. Super Data Wolf. If I tell you guys I haven't slept, would you guys believe me? I haven't slept today. Some of you probably won't believe me. Okay, EJ rejected his resistance. Oh, dang, we just missed AUDJPY, guys. Man, we just missed AUDJPY. It's okay though. It's okay. We still got EJ, GJ, so we'll see. I know, right? Super Data Wolf. Yep, as soon as I'm done with today's stream, I'm going straight to sleep. That's why I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna take more than one trade today. Plus, I already took two trades though in London. I had two wins, so me trading more than one pair for New York session, it was just me doing too much. So if we have a nice entry here below 138,300 on EJ, we get about uh, 20 to 30 pip range here, back to this previous resistance right here. So we'll see what happens when New York session opens. That's all we're waiting for. So we get like 14 more minutes before New York session opens.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you for life. Sexy mind and body. You already got me now.
Super Diddle Wolf,
Loving you madly.
I brought the
Girl, I
music
can
back.
touch in your body.
Are you
She
happy
ain't
now?
even trying, she got it. I'll be here beside you. Anything I got you. You know play. All you do is shut down the runway. Looking dangerous like a gunplay. Yeah. They all wanna grab you, on you like a tattoo. Hey, don't you fall like you know even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you for life. Sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Ella no la Ella no la body moving
Ah, you love the Afro music? Yeah.
so wild tonight. Waist bizarre emotion round our body. When you do it slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. I go see you through together, baby. You scatter the streets, your vibe is so divine. Don't you for lying, you know even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you for life. Sexy mind and body, you already got me now. Ella no la ella no la
Alright, we're just waiting for New York session. We just missed these AJ sales, guys. Would have taken it real quick. Yeah, and smashed 10 pips already. GG sales below 163, 500 should be nice. Um, Same thing with EJ here. What's wrong with this music today?
Uh-huh. Amaru. Make it fire. Yeah. Me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you, girl. You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind, only place that I wanna be. You define what true beauty is all the way. So divine, God must took a long time to make you. Yeah, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, hey, mind your words when you talking about my baby. I'm out of words every time that she whining for me. For me, eyes only, body emotion, but her eyes on me. Her ex-boyfriend sent the guys on me. Turn around when they saw the 9 on me. Hey, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me,
This is a nice break and retest right here on EJ.
follow me. I go show you the
But
way.
if we break below this range, we should be heading down, boys.
You the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, yeah.
I started the stream early today. Shit, since I was awake, I'm like, I might as well start early today because I knew if I should wait till 6:30, I might fall asleep and that's it. Then I would have missed today's stream.
Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I
Ah,
go
yeah,
show you
Super Dada
the
Wolf.
way.
Yeah, if I didn't, man, I definitely would have missed today's stream.
You be surfing, 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 searching, searching. You been searching, searching, yeah, in the wrong place.
How you doing, Vincent? Can you hear me? How you doing,
Uh,
Vincent? Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you loud and clear. The picture is might be my connection, but it's yeah.
Can you see it clearly on Zoom?
There's a there's a lot of lag.
On Zoom?
It's blurred. So
Oh, it's blurred on Zoom.
yes,
Yeah, Zoom only allows 720p. Yeah, 720p should be good. I don't know. It's very clear on my end. Just give me a second here. Uh, it's actually very clear on my end. Hmm. Yeah, it's probably your connection. Maybe when someone else joins Zoom, we'll see what they say. Oh, just waiting on freaking AJ. I mean EJ. See what it does. What the hell? Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this music today. Something is definitely wrong. Well, I think I'm just gonna go back to the other songs I'd be playing. I don't know what's wrong with that one today. It's tripping. It's really, really tripping. So I'm gonna just play this. Oh nope, well you're too loud. Nope, you're too loud.
You break my heart. I say I don't need you anymore.
You're too loud.
Pick call and we start all over again. I don't know why we do this, but
All
every
right,
time we find ways through it, round up and down is what
all
we
right.
find in
EJ Fleet
between.
Bullish.
I don't know why we do this, but every time we find ways through it, round up and down. But I guess we're just meant to be.
Can you guys still hear me perfectly well?
We're just meant to be.
All right, New Year session is officially opened.
We're just meant to be.
All right, cool, cool, cool.
I throw you things, you start to scream. We lose our minds when it comes to love. We fill
Hopefully, it's not gonna be a slow New York session today, guys. USDCHF has been the trade of the day. Oh yeah, we smashed London session too, and we only traded JPY pairs. Even though we eventually got stopped out, but we still got like, I think, uh, almost 60 pips off of EJ and GJ. Actually, right now, Big Zod, I think that's actually what I'm looking for right now. I'm just gonna end this Zoom right here. I think this internet is enough for me to have Zoom today at all. Can't wait to get back home. Hey Suraj, how you doing? Long time no see. UJ is in good buy position. That's good. Yeah, Vicent. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But the Zoom for London session is only gonna be for obviously the premium members in the Discord. It's gonna be better that way if I start streaming London session for the premium members anyways. That way, you guys will be getting into trades the same time I get in, just like New York session. It's a very good. Make sure to get enough sleep though. I actually do. I just couldn't sleep today. I don't know. Sometimes, that's the life of a trader. Sometimes. But if not for this stream, yeah, I probably would have slept because if I only just had to send tweets to the premium group, I probably would have been like, I mean, we already made money during London. It's okay if we skip today. if we skip New York session today.
Do you get tired of your misery? It's on repeat daily. It ain't gonna change over time. So relax and ease your mind. Have you thought
Man, guys, we only got 25 likes. We got 90 people watching. We got 25 likes. We should have more than that. This candle has no bottom wick on the 5 minute.
we bust a mission, clear your vision so your eyes can see. Be successful is a hustle, take its destiny.
4 hour candles already flit bullish. No, I'm not in. I'm not in. I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close, because if we go to the 5 minute, this candle has no bottom wick, so it could still flip bearish and reject this resistance. Until we break this resistance, we're still on a downtrend on the lower time frame. So on the 30-minute, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. It would be nice if we close above. If we do not close above, then we could possibly take a buy, looking for a bullish flip or a candle with a bottom wick, bullish candle with a bottom wick, then we could potentially take the buys. So we'll see what happens. Yes, A1 Media Group, right now, looking at a higher time frame, I'm anticipating buys until we break below 138,300. Until we start breaking below 138,300, that's when I'm going to look for sales. What I'm hoping for right now is that this thing just doesn't decide to freaking shoot for the moon. Damn, 5 minute open with no bottom wick again. But it didn't close above, so maybe this candle will close above it, and then maybe we'll look for entries on the 5 minute, on the 30-minute. Um, The bullish flip is looking nice though. Look at it 4 hour. Good morning, Miss Sonia. I'm not in, guys. I just have it on there. I'm not in. If it touches my entry area, I'm gonna take the buys. We should keep pushing up. Strictly because of this 4 hour bullish flip, I will go clean traffic to the left here back to this resistance. That's why I'm gonna take it. That's why I'm gonna take it. I'm in, I'm in, I'm in, I'm in, I'm in, I'm in, I'm in. You just got me in for the buys, guys. Feel like we should break this resistance. So I'm just gonna target this as my final TP. But for now, just gonna leave it here. I also took these buys because we rejected this previous support here to fake out the sellers, and we have a nice bullish flip here on the 30 minute plus on the 4 hour. We flip bullish, so we should be heading back to this resistance. If not, then let's fill up this previous week right here, because we kind of have this support zone somewhere over here. So um, we'll see what happens here. So we'll see what happens with these buys. If we draw this trend line from this previous low, see, we're clearly in an uptrend. So, alright, we're back to negative. We're in drawdown right now. I don't think it's gonna affect the GBP Super Data Wolf. I looked at it earlier and it has no focus numbers or anything, so I don't think it's gonna affect the GBP at all. You're welcome, bro. So looking at EJ, as long as we close above this resistance on the 30 minute, we should be good with these buys. Because this stops is like 20 pips stop loss. Um, 20 pip stop loss for a potential 30 pip trade. Yeah, we must be pulling back on the 5 minute. Come on, EJ. Treat me right. Treat me good. You treated me good for London, so I need you to treat me right for New York as well.
I never meant to hurt you. I didn't really mean the words I said. I
Mm,
said, if I could take it all back, I swear I'd never
right
do
there.
it all again.
Come on, EJ. Push up. Push up.
'Cause I need you by my side and I need you in my life. And if you hear this song, just know that I'll never find a better one. And everything was done out of love. So even when I'm gone, you're always in my heart. A shine down California
As long
sun.
as we close
'Cause
above this
everything was done
resistance,
out of love. So
I'm not
even
gonna be
when I'm
worried about this EJ
gone,
buys.
you're always in my heart. Serenity.
Then again, I don't see them freaking out the buyers right now. They already faked out the sellers. And hopefully our stops is not too tight. Flip bearish on the 15. We can still flip bullish again, but closes this kind of closes in 5 minutes. Alright, 3 more minutes, guys, for this candle to close.
searching for the truth. Left everything behind me when you came out for you. Walking through the daylight and sleep under the moon. Watch every single siren, a mirage the same as the moon. You're 1,000 miles away, but if you come while I'm
This thing
away,
is trying not to close above, it's trying to close below this range.
you're 1,000 miles away, but if you come while I'm away, stay tonight, stay tonight, yeah, stay tonight. If you come while I'm away, yeah, stay tonight.
Is that EJ needs help to push up?
When swimming in the ocean, don't know which one it was. I was diving to the bottom, searching for your love. I heard it was a treasure no one has ever seen. You hide inside a locket, buried inside the me. You're 1,000 miles away, but if you come while I'm away, stay tonight, stay tonight. You're 1,000 miles away, but if you come while
Man,
I'm away, stay
can't believe it.
tonight,
It closed in the range again.
yeah, stay tonight. If you come while I'm away, yeah, stay tonight, stay tonight.
Uh,
Love her, but I don't know how. I tell her that I feel my.
Come on, push up, bro. If I wasn't in already, this is the time I'll be looking to get in. I probably will be in right now. Damn, it's fully bearish. Crazy. King's FX, this is actually EJ. Euro JPY. Actually, let me make this watermark a little bit bright here. Put that like 10%. Alright, you guys definitely should be able to see it clearly now. Oh man, GJ. Man, if GJ is dropping, EJ might drop too. Yep. Yeah, the fact that this candle did not close above, yeah, I do not like it. And then AJ is dropping. Damn, I don't know what's wrong with me and New York session. Last week New York session was trash for me except for London, and I don't even trade London like that. New York has been doing some BS lately. There's no way this thing shouldn't be going up. Like, we're clearly in an uptrend. You bought USD JPY? Is USD JPY pushing up nicely or something? Oh, damn. Right, USD JPY was the trade. Up 32 pips from resistance. That's crazy. How you say you told me? Dude, EJ is bullish too. AJ just wants to keep dropping. Do we have do we have some type of resistance on USD JPY somewhere? Because I think USD JPY already broke all-time highs. Let me see the daily. Man, look at this 4-hour candle. This was, oh, the daily, I mean. It's just about to break this all-time high. See, they already broke it, I mean. And USD JPY is even a nice break and retest. So EJ needs to freaking start playing. GJ might flip bullish. Needs to start playing and freaking push up.
You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive. So we go with the flow.
Damn, EJ, like, the hell? Well, so far USD JPY was the trade. I don't even trade it that often. That's why I don't have it on here. Maybe I need to look more into it. Even if I got in right now when this candle flipped bullish, we will still be in drawdown right now. Yep, there's nothing we can do but wait. This previous 30-minute candle should have broke this London highs, because right now we're sitting at this London highs right now. Because if I turn on the Q zones, which shows you the sessions, so right now we're sitting at London highs. We broke it on the 15. Obviously we did on the 5 as well. But now we're possibly looking at a break and retest. But if we should close below this resistance, then that's definitely a fake out. and then I'll just look for something else. You go for the pips from GU. That's nice. Congratulations. Hmm. Zay must be sleeping because he was up during London. Come on, push. It's looking like a break and retest. EJ playing too many games. Flip bullish, tapped my entry, and freaking pulled back again and flip bearish. This candle right here, this 30-minute candle was actually the buy signal. So it should have kept on pushing up. But you know, the market is always gonna do whatever it wants to do. whenever I see an end, something like this, I'll always take the trade no matter what. Regardless of what happens with these buys. Because the wick is bigger than the body, it signifies a rejection at this zone right here. That's basically what it signifies. And that's why I took these buys. Some people might call it impulse buys. It was a nice rejection at that support. It just simply signifies buys that we about to start pushing up. Did I probably have a late entry here? Maybe. But we still have a decent entry here. Because we actually waited for price to actually cross above this resistance before we took the trade. Even though we had that nice kind of rejection at support, signifying the buys, like I said, all we can do now is wait and see what EJ wants to do. But right now he's playing games. He's playing games. Oh man, EJ, what the hell are you doing? GJ fully bullish as well. Wow, AJ tapped the support. Drew up nicely. Alright, I'll be back, guys.
scars in my soul, in my soul. Love is furious and fast. Life is furious and fast. I'll die with the demons in my past, in my past. But I'll reap what I sow. But I won't let you go. This road's gonna take us all. This road's gonna take us all. But every darkness bears a dawn. We won't walk this road alone. This road's gonna take us all. This road's gonna take us all. But every darkness bears a dawn. We won't walk this road alone. I've lost the things I love the most. I've lost the things I love the most.
Alright, EJ just wants to keep playing games here, and AJ is really dropping nicely here. Yeah, AJ and GJ is playing games, both of them. This candle closes in 4 minutes, so we'll see how it closes. You guys see this bullish candle here on the left side? You see this candle right here? That was the same thing this previous bullish flip candle was gonna do, but it didn't do that. And if you look here, give me a second here. And if you look here to the left, look at this candle. Nice rejection at this support. Wick bigger than the body, signifying rejection at this support, even though it ranged for a while, but eventually, bam, it shut up. So, and we kind of have the same setup right here, and that's why I took the buys. So, hopefully it works out. And like I said, I'll take this kind of setup every time I see it, regardless of whatever happens to this EJ buys. I'll always take it. Because I know what that candle means once I see it, whether it's for buys or sell. It's rejecting between the 20 and 50 MA on the 15-minute. The large bullish candle was an hour after Asian market open. Does that make any difference? I mean, it's still Asian session. You know, that's still Asian session. So doesn't matter what session it is. The sellers try to push EJ down, but looks like we have more buyers in the market right now, but the sellers are still trying to push it down. The sellers are still trying to gain the momentum. Whenever the market acts like this, I call it a tug of war. That's what I like to call it. I call it a tug of war between the sellers and the buyers. Somebody has to win. In this case, hopefully, we the buyers win this battle. We're in a war right now. This candle was actually pre-New York. This bullish candle. It was at what time was it? 20 or 20 hours. So this candle was at 9 p.m. my time. So that was the Asian session. So yeah, it doesn't matter the session. Let me see if I can find another example for buys. I'm trying to see if I can find another example. It was already in a downtrend here. Alright, now look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this candle, this bearish candle. Wick bigger than the body. Ranged, fake out, boom. We went up. So um, this setup works majority of the time. Now I'm not saying it works 100% of the time. If I keep going, I'll find more examples. If I keep going, I'll definitely find more examples. But you can check it out yourself, back test it. It doesn't work 100% of the time, but it works majority of the time. So now that we took these buys, I don't know, maybe we're gonna be in a range for a while and a drawdown for a while, and then we smash whatever we want to smash afterwards. We just gotta wait and see what happens. Right now, it's just playing too many games. And this time around, if we close bullish, I need the body to be bigger than the wick this time around. If he really does not want to push up, I at least need the body to close bigger than the wick. Yo, Zay, I was just asking about you. No, then again, it's a Monday, so uh, as long as we do not close below this resistance, then I won't be worried. But whatever happens, my sales is gonna be below 138 300. I'm not looking for sales until we break below that zone. And GJ, my sales is gonna be below 163 500. We flip bullish for the week. And we actually closed bearish for the week last week. No, we closed bullish too because this candle started flipping. Mm. All right. Well, the sellers are gaining momentum. So we got a 5-minute low here. If we break below that, then we're probably gonna get clapped. Did we break below? Let's see. Yeah, we kind of broke below only 5 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna get clapped on this one. That's what it's definitely looking like. Well, that's that. Man, New York session has not been my friend since last week. New York session is trying to make me switch to London until further notice. I got I got like almost 60 pips though in London. We didn't have like big moves though in London today, but it's a Monday, so that's understandable. EJ rejected this support. We're gonna get clapped on EJ. There's no doubt the way this is looking. So I'm not even looking at it anymore. Well, so we'll see if we can make back whatever we're about to lose here. And EJ was the first trade I wanted to take this morning. And I ended up taking EJ, losing trade. That was very funny. Well, alright, we're out. I'm out of EJ. 20 people lost on EJ. And the fact that UJ is still going up is very, very interesting. Well, it is what it is. Losses happen. There's nothing we can do about that. Still no sales here for me at all. At all. Let me update this. Um, so EJ negative 20 pips. All right. Man, this July. 5 wins, 4 losses right now. 150 wins, 50 losses. Still at 75% though. Alright guys, we're gonna see if we can take one more trade here and then we'll call it a day. And then we'll call it a day. If it's gonna be AJ, just gonna wait for this candle to close and then see what happens after that. Because this previous candle rejected this resistance and support here to the left. And maybe we got an entry somewhere here. So you're looking at a potential 32, potential, let's just say 30 pip range here, back to this support. And alright. This thing better not go bullish, better start dropping. Better continue dropping. Yep, we sent on to the next one. How you said I may need to go to London, that's where the money at. Man, sometimes London be trash though. You just really can't tell with this market. You just really can't tell. The fact that we got stopped out now and it looks like it's dropping, that doesn't mean this thing cannot still continue bullish if it wants to. Oh, you're 3% on your funded? Oh boy, okay. And AJ dropped nice. I should have taken it when I wanted to. No, no, no. No, no, no. Open it. Alright, Fiznero, you can still make it back. Maybe not today, but you can still make it back. Because, man, with all this pop film, you gotta be very, very careful. You can't trade them like you trade your own personal account. Since we missed this entry here on AJ, just gotta wait and see what this candle is gonna do. Yes, UJ is already at all time highs. Since UJ is gonna pull back at some point because it's already at an all-time high. Since it broke this previous resistance here, well, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the H1 here. Yeah, since it already broke this, damn, where is it? Since it already broke 137,700. But here on the 1 hour, there's this resistance here also. And it broke these highs, this Asian session highs. It just broke it, so it's definitely at an all-time high right now. Like with UJ now, like you don't even know where you're gonna set your TP because there's no zones to the left. Uh, so NYSE opens in 6 minutes. So we'll see what happens. Good morning, Caleb. Well, you didn't miss anything because we just took a loss on EJ. You definitely didn't miss anything. currently looking good for the sales. Our entry should have been this candle right here, this previous bearish candle, but we just missed it and we took EJ instead. The explanation I made on EJ, look at it, we have on EJ, and why I took the buys, we have it here for these sales, and it worked out perfectly fine. But it didn't work out for EJ. So whenever you see this setup that we took on EJ, man, take it all the time, because it definitely works most of the time. Even though it didn't work today. Um, yeah, we might not get an entry on AJ here. Yeah. It's crazy though how on EJ they previously took out the sellers with this week right here, and now they took out the buyers. All right, I need AJ to pull back some more here to at least give me a decent entry if it's gonna keep falling. And if it keeps falling, maybe we can catch 20 to 30 pips here, depending on where this candle closes. Ha! Some people already left because we took a loss. Oh man, this candle closed too far, man. So, what's my stop loss gonna be here? Stop loss has to be decent. Man, I don't even have a one-to-one right now with this. Uh, if this candle flips bearish, I'll take it. Right now I'm just waiting to see if this candle is gonna flip bearish. Even though I think we might continue dropping here to 91,750 at least. Just not trusting this right now. If it flips bearish and start dropping, I'll take the sell on AJ. Back to this support because of this where this entry is. We're looking at the 25 pip range. Um, $4 hour looks nice. We got clean traffic here to the left. Um, yeah, just waiting for this candle to flip bearish and start dropping, and I'll take the sell on AJ. Because we broke nicely below this support. I'm in, guys. I'm in AJ. I'm absolutely in AJ. I'm gonna just tell them just to target this zone. Actually, just gonna target this, and that'll be that. Just gonna target right there. Shit, hopefully this thing keep dropping. Oh, 10 pip smash. Ha! Closed at 15. Took partials at 15 real quick. Let's see some W's, guys. That was fast. Ha! Let's see some W's. What the hell? Damn, I thought I closed at 15. I closed at 10. Man, you can move your stops to entry right now if you want to. Did any one of you able to take partials? Damn, I could swear I thought this thing was at 15 when I closed it. But anyways, well, it took some at 10. If AJ gives me another 20, I'm gonna take more partials. Um, yeah, we missed that entry on AJ. That would have been the only trade we would have taken right now. So EJ needs to break below this support for sales. But I'm feeling like GJ might break before GJ might break this support before EJ. But both of them they actually doing the same thing right now. EJ and GJ. Um, if AJ stops me out at entry, then it is what it is. Then it is what it is. I still see you dropping some more too. I want it to keep dropping though. I don't want it to stop me out. So hopefully we do not get stopped out. And it would be nice if this candle can just come all the way down and then just smash this first TP that I have here. I don't know, maybe I'll start using Ohanda on my here on TradingView because this FXCM it doesn't match with my ankle trade. Damn, how can we go from almost 100 pips now to 70 people? YouTube has been messing with my channel. Okay, EJ, I need this 30-minute candle to close below this support. Man, look at me trying to make back what I lost. Just because I'm trying to make back that 20 pips that I lost on EJ doesn't mean I'm gonna get impatient. So let me go back to AJ for now until until the next 30-minute candle closes. Well, while we're waiting to see if we can take one more trade, I'm waiting for AJ. So, if any one of you is looking for a good and reputable broker, I definitely recommend Anchor Trade. Anchor Trade is definitely the best broker out there in my own opinion. They have spreads starting from zero point 0.0 pips, good maximum leverage of 1 to 500, which is what I use, negative balance protection, low commissions as well. And if you want to get started with Anchor Trade, I definitely recommend ECN or ECN Plus. I have the ECN Plus because I have more than $1,000 deposited into my account. So definitely go with ECN or ECN Plus, and I definitely recommend Anchor Trade. So if you want to sign up, the link, you can use my link down below in the description. Now let's get back to today's trading. Alright, so we're just waiting on EJ and possibly GJ. So I'm only gonna take either GJ or EJ. So I'm not gonna take both of them. I'm not gonna take both of them. Alright. AJ dropping nice. AJ dropping nice. We're currently at 12 pips right now. 20 more pips, I'm gonna take more partials. Oh, if we smash this TP for about 25 pips, I'll take my, I'll take more partials. My final TP is actually right here back at this little demand zone here at 91.984. That's where I have my final TP at. So we'll see. I wouldn't get on GJ yet because I'll wait until it closes below this support, if you ask me, because who knows, you could get faked out. But hey, you can do whatever you want to do. I'm just saying what you know I'm gonna do. All right, I gotta go use the restroom real quick, guys. I'll be back. Man, I wasn't here, guys. I couldn't tell you guys to close more partials. We smash TP right here. Take more partials, guys. I took more partials already, guys. Took more partials at 20 pips. Let's go. Let's see those W's. Oh, nice, Mr. Grind Time. If I get 50 pips on AJ, I'll take more partials. I'm trying to take more partials somewhere here. Somewhere there, that's where I'm trying to take more partials, and then I'll leave the rest to run to TP. Oh, damn. Okay. All right. Man, you really got lucky, Mr. Grand Time, on this EJ, because he could have rejected this support again. Except if you took it from the top. Um, I want to see how this candle is gonna close here. If this 1 hour candle closes below this support, that would be nice. This 15-minute candle has no top wick on the EJ, so we might pull back some more here. That EJ buys we took earlier was clearly a fake out. I'm not gonna take any more losses this week if I continue trading New York. No more losses on New York session. I'm not gonna let the markets play me like that. GJ pulling back. What? Which one? What should we take, guys? Should we take EJ or GJ? You guys are gonna have to be fast with that question. This candle closed in 4 minutes. Should we take EJ or GJ? Because we cannot take both of them. We can only take one. EJ pulling back. Let me see GJ. I don't know. Both of them are actually looking good, but as of right now, EJ is looking like the one that might have the better entry, depending on how it closes. Damn, but it's pulling back real quick. Okay, Nicholas said GJ. Okay, Zay said he's in EJ because he believes in it. Oh, you didn't take the AJ cells, Zay? Right, Vicent said GJ. Both of them is pulling back to this range. Man, it's kind of confusing, guys. I don't know, maybe I'll go with GJ. Ooh, damn. Guys, look at AUDJPY. Rejected that support. It could still drop though. Man, I can't wait to lay in bed and freaking go to sleep. Shit, I'll probably be asleep for the whole day today. Okay, no top wick on this candle. And we didn't close below. I would be mad if this candle just continued dropping without flipping at all. I think I'm gonna take GJ, guys. Yeah, GJ looks better. I'll take GJ, but I need this candle to flip, create a top wick and flip bearish and start dropping. That's what I'm looking for right now. So I think I'm gonna take GJ. I'm still in AJ. Come on, I need it to flip, man. Flip bullish so I can have a better entry here. Bro, this kind of drop at least what? This kind of drop 30 pips. Um, I don't trade those pairs. USD JPY, I would have traded it if I saw it. If I saw the buys, I would have taken it. That GBP news, I don't see it affecting the market. I think it already happened. Oh, yep, in 15 minutes. Yeah, so AJ finally created a top wick, just a tiny little bitty wick. Oh man, no, I'm not gonna take this sell with this freaking candle. If it was a 4-hour bearish flip candle, then I would take it, but I'm not gonna take it just looking like this. I'm not gonna take it. Anyone else can take it if you want, but for me, I'm not taking this sell on this candle. I already took a loss today for this New York session. I'm not trying to take another one. If it doesn't flip, I'll rather miss it than for me to take it and then it freaking flips. GJ is actually trying to flip bullish here. If it flips and gives us a top wick, then I could have an entry somewhere around here at 138.270 or 138.276, somewhere around there. Um, this GJ though, wasn't expecting it to even drop down this far. Wasn't expecting GJ to drop down this far before it actually flips. If it does not flip, I'm not taking it. But then it has really dropped down a lot here. I'll be looking at like 25 pip stop loss here if it does flip and flip bearish again. Um, so for now, EJ is looking better for now. We'll see if this flips bullish or if it's gonna keep dropping. So I'm scrapping GJ for now. So I'm just gonna look at EJ, see what EJ does. We still got like 20 minutes here before this candle closes, so we still got a lot of time. Oh, you said EJ better to you? Yeah, it's looking like it. Exactly, Vicent. No top wick is a no-go for me. Yep, same here. Quick question, guys. Is this stream 1080p for you guys? I'm just trying to make sure, because it's been at 720p the whole uh, last week. It was at 720p. Alright, so since we reject it now, if it flips, I'll take the sell. We got like a 30 pip range here. Back to this previous resistance, we're looking at a 30 pip range. If this candle flips, alright. If it flips, we'll take it. If not, then we just simply won't take it. AJ just came down, tapped the support again, and is currently rejecting. So we'll see what we can get here with EJ, what EJ wants to do. This is gonna be the last trade for today. Whatever trade we take, and I'll call it a day. Alright. If it flips, I'll have my stops right there. We're looking at another 20 pip stop loss on EJ. So we're just waiting here, guys. Yeah, yes, it was so far today. Two wins during London, uh, one wins during New York, one loss today. So three wins, one loss. I've actually taken two more trades today. If I add London to it, if I add London, that means I've taken what? Damn, I've taken four trades already? Oh, okay, that's doing too much. Yeah, two trades during London. Then I took AJ and EJ during New York. Oh, yeah, that's four trades. So if EJ stays bearish here, I needed to come down back to 138 to 68, back to the bottom of this week, and we'll take the sell. It's still above this support here, still in this range. Huh, GG does not want to flip. The news for GG happened already. I told you I don't see it affecting GBP. The news happened already. Yep, it didn't affect it at all. Yep, didn't affect it at all. I don't know, Super Data Wolf. I think Jewel is still on vacation. I sent her a message, I think this weekend. She hasn't seen it yet, so I don't know. I hope she's okay though. Let me see if she's seen the message. Yep, she hasn't seen the message yet.
Waking up inside my bed, looking around at all I have. The only thing missing is what I want. Wipe my eyes and make my bed, brush my teeth and fix my
Well,
hair.
I just sent her another message.
When to be and me become so hard. I've walked so many miles with my head in at the ground. I forgot the world had clouds. If I could just look up, I see him looking down. I know my grandpa's proud. I am my brother's keeper. I'll be right there for my sister. I know it took me some time, but I'm the man inside my house. I'm better than I think. I'm stronger than I know. I know I love myself. I love myself. I
Oh
love
man, well,
myself.
we missed the entry on the 15 minutes. I'm in EJ, guys.
I know it's there. Maybe I'm just wasting my time. But it never hurts
Well,
to
my
be
EJ has been activated.
loving every heart except mine. Keeping to myself however
My
I
EJ
decide.
has been
Guessing
activated.
I keep telling myself that I'm fine. Remember, it's all alright.
So EJ better not freaking do me dirty twice. If EJ continues dropping, I feel like it should get to 137, 526 at least. Today already I've missed two trades. GJ, now the second trade I've missed today. Would have taken this 15-minute entry here. Since it didn't flip on the 30, would have taken this one on the 15. Now, EJ wants to keep tripping. Man, I swear, if EJ freaking does me dirty another time today, man, I might be done with EJ.
Coast to
Oh
coast,
man.
diamonds in the rough. Seen the most, but you've never seen enough. Counting all the cities to run home. The first time I had never felt alone.
Um,
Summer loving, I would crave your lips. Thunder struck in, for just a kiss. Sunny loving all over me. Overthinking what we could be. Setting sun's the start of a new life.
You said those moving averages come in handy? Well, sometimes they do. That's usually what it be like when when you're winning, when your setup is working. That's what it be like until the day it doesn't work. I swear, today this New York session, man. I'm sick and tired of DJ. Man, can somebody wake me up when we're in profit? Wake me up when we're in profit. Uh, 9 and 200. Yep, that that's a good one to use. Okay, man. EJ, man. Yeah, I might be done with EJ. I might replace EJ, man. I've just missed good trades today. This 15-minute one. I put stops above this week. Man, I thought by now AJ would have broken this support. I feel like if AJ does not break this support, we might be in trouble with these EJ sales, guys. Especially if this candle does not close below this support, even with the bearish flip. I don't know. I'm gonna give New York session another shot this week. If New York session does not act right this week, I think I'm gonna switch to London. I'll stream London and then send out trades during New York. Maybe one I'll just focus on London because London has been very nice. The previous week, New York session was like freaking amazing. Last week, shit, it was trash. But then again, today is Monday, so I'm not gonna judge just yet how New York session is gonna be because today is Monday. If I'm not profitable during this New York session, I definitely gotta win Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I gotta win those 3 days
Yeah, it's been a long time coming.
to have a profitable week. Last week, London saved me. If not, it would have been a losing week. Still didn't close below, even with the bearish flip. All right, I'm done. I'm done. But I'm gonna let it run though. Uh, I knew Gigi was gonna do this though on the 30 minute. Since this candle decided to move like this, I was expecting this. But since we're below this support, if GJ flips, if you still want to trade, but as for me, I'm done, regardless of what happens with EJ trade. You can possibly maybe target this support here at 162,610. If you create your top wick, you'll just have your stops above that wick, and then you'll be good to go. Yeah, we're gonna. Damn, Zay, why did I listen to you with this EJ? I'm just kidding. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm done with EJ. I'm done with EJ. Yeah, Jacqueline, this is the second time for today. Twice on EJ. Well, there is definitely no point for me to take another trade now. I said 2 wins already. New York session. Nah. The New York session definitely does not like me today. Alright. Stopped out of AJ2. Alright. Your stop loss hit already? Oh, my stop loss didn't hit yet, but I'm currently 16 negative 16 pips. I'm just gonna close it. Man, EJ just off this freaking EJ too just almost freaking took all my profits that I made already. Well, good for you. Yep, it almost did the same thing for me too. It almost took all my profits I made down in London. We missed AJ earlier, but good thing we made money with that one. Then GJ, we missed it. We would have taken this 15-minute entry, but then we would have been stopped out. But like I said, since GJ is actually below, and GJ was the one that I said I was gonna take, if it flips, then it should keep dropping, and this should be a nice one. If it does flip, then it should keep dropping. GJ. So if you want to take it, you can at that point. But then if it stays this way, you can just have your stops above this wick. You can just have your stops above that wick, something like that. Then again, London session is about to close. I really don't like trading. I really don't like trading New York once London session closes. But sometimes all these pairs might just decide to move after London closes, because we've seen it happen a few times here on stream. Oh man, I'm sick of EJ today. I'm sick of EJ today. AJ could also still flip bearish and continue, or it could actually continue pulling back to this resistance. Exactly right, Caleb. But he wasn't able to do that. I didn't let it do that. I didn't let it take it. Uh-uh. I didn't let it take it. But I definitely overtraded today though, guys. I definitely did. EJ was the third trade today for New York. I'ma just close this. Like, that's done. That's already over with. Yeah, it's just ranging. So if you ask me what EJ is gonna do, like, I don't know, but because it's just ranging, I have no idea what this freaking gonna do. But GJ though, as long as we below this support, I'll still be looking for sales. Right now, I'll be looking for this candle to flip, and that's that. Man, it's okay, Zay. Taking two L's back to back, shit. it's, it's a normal thing in this market, but That's why I'm not taking any more. Two L's, like that's it. Like there's no need for you to take any more trade. Just it's happened, it's happened. Then you know, wait for the next session or you wait for the next day. Because whatever trade you take after two L's, like yo, you know, for most people your psychology is already messed up and you know, you have a higher chance of losing the next trade you take after taking two L's. So I definitely shouldn't have taken this EJ because I've already overtraded today. This EJ loss is definitely my fault. You guys remember how I used to preach about overtrading? And that's exactly what I did today. And I said it earlier. I said I'm only gonna take one to two trades today when I started streaming. And I didn't stick to it. I took another trade. Messed up my own trading rule. Messed up my own trading plan today. Should have kept it at the one win, one loss. Now I have two wins. I mean, now I have one win and two losses for New York. Anyways, um, hey, you know, it's still Monday. Today is Monday. Sometimes Mondays are like this, and you know, it is what it is. We still got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and for those of you that trade Fridays, you know, you still got Fridays. I don't do Fridays, so your trade is not gonna be from me on Friday. So that's that. Alright, guys, I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. I started early today because I didn't go to sleep after London. After I traded London, I didn't go to sleep, so I decided to start the stream early today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And if you're in the VIP on Discord, we'll look for another trade for London session. Hopefully, we'll get another win, and maybe we'll get more wins during New York session tomorrow. All right, guys. God bless you all. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, before I end this, um, you always got to manage your risk, guys. Just because of days like this, you always have to manage your risk. That's why I closed that EJ trade. Oh man, what have I done? Damn, what the hell? Okay. Yeah, so that's why I closed the EG trade early because it's definitely gonna come. It's not gonna come back down. That's why I closed it. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all. Let's do this again tomorrow.